अलार्म बज चुका है। The alarm has rung. The alarm has rung. अभी 5 बजे है। It is 5 o'clock now. It is 5 o'clock now. मैं दांत साफ कर रहा हूँ। I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. मैंने मुंह धोया। I washed my face. I washed my face. मैंने कपड़े बदले। I changed clothes. I changed clothes. वह तैयार हो रहा है। He is getting ready. He is getting ready. वह तैयार हो रही है। She is getting ready. She is getting ready. बच्चों को जगाओ। Wake the children up. Wake the children up. दूध गर्म करो। Heat the milk. Heat the milk. चलो स्कूल चले। Let's go to school. Let's go to school. घंटी बज गई है। The bell has rung. The bell has rung. शिक्षक आ गए हैं। The teacher has come. The teacher has come. किताब खोलो। Open the book. Open the book. कॉपी में लिखो। Write in the notebook. Write in the notebook. ध्यान से सुनो। Listen carefully. Listen carefully. सब चुप रहो। Everyone keep quiet. Everyone keep quiet. गृह कार्य पूरा करो। Complete the homework. Complete the homework. सवाल का जवाब दो। Answer the question. Answer the question. कल छुट्टी है। Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. परीक्षा शुरू हो गई है। The exam has started. The exam has started. मीटिंग शुरू हो गई है। The meeting has started. The meeting has started. यह रिपोर्ट तैयार करो। Prepare this report. Prepare this report. मुझे यह फाइल दो। Give me this file. Give me this file. समय पर आओ। Come on time. Come on time. काम पूरा करो। Finish the work. Finish the work. कंप्यूटर चालू करो। Turn on the computer. Turn on the computer. प्रिंटर खराब है। The printer is not working. The printer is not working. नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करो। Start the new project. Start the new project. मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए। I need leave. I need leave. बिजली चली गई। There is a power cut. There is a power cut. टैक्सी बुलाओ। Call a taxi. Call a taxi. बस आ गई है। The bus has arrived. The bus has arrived. ट्रेन छूट गई। The train has left. The train has left. हवाई जहाज लेट है। The plane is late. The plane is late. टिकट दिखाओ। Show the ticket. Show the ticket. कितने बजे पहुंचोगे? What time will you reach? What time will you reach? सीट आरक्षित है. The seat is reserved. The seat is reserved. भीड़ बहुत है. There is a big crowd. There is a big crowd. रास्ता लंबा है. The road is long. The road is long. जल्दी चलो. Walk fast. Walk fast. यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? मुझे सब्जी चाहिए. I need vegetables. I need vegetables. ताजा फल दिखाइए. Show me fresh fruits. Show me fresh fruits. दाम ज़्यादा है. The price is high. The price is high. थोड़ा कम कीजिए. Please reduce a little. Please reduce a little. मुझे थैला चाहिए. I need a bag. I need a bag. यह कपड़ा अच्छा है. This cloth is good. This cloth is good. जूते पहनकर देखो. Try the shoes on. Try the shoes on. भुगतान नकद करो. Pay in cash. Pay in cash. बिल बना दीजिए. Make the bill please. Make the bill please. दरवाजा बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. खिड़की खोलो. Open the window. Open the window. पंखा चालू करो. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. लाइट बंद करो. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. टीवी चलाओ. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. किचन साफ करो. Clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen. कपड़े तह करो. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. बर्तन धो दो. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. फर्श पोंछ दो. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. चाय बना दो. Make tea. Make tea. पानी उबालो. Boil the water. Boil the water. नमक पास करो. Pass the salt. Pass the salt. रसोई में आओ. Come to the kitchen. Come to the kitchen. सब्जी काट दो. Cut the vegetables. Cut the vegetables. गैस चालू करो. Turn on the gas. Turn on the gas. बिस्तर लगा दो. Set the bed. Set the bed. पर्दा हटाओ. Remove the curtain. Remove the curtain. दराज खोलो. Open the drawer. Open the drawer. कचरा फेंक दो. Throw the garbage. Throw the garbage. मेरा सिर दुख रहा है. My head is aching. My head is aching. मुझे खांसी है. I have a cough. I have a cough. मुझे बुखार है. I have a fever. I have a fever. दवा खाओ. Take medicine. Take medicine. आराम करो. Take rest. Take rest. पानी पियो. Drink water. Drink water. डॉक्टर को बुलाओ. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. इंजेक्शन लगवाओ. Take an injection. Take an injection. अस्पताल चलो. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital. ब्लड टेस्ट करवाओ. Get the blood test done. Get the blood test done. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. चेहरा ढको. Cover your face. Cover your face. जूते पहन लो. Wear the shoes. Wear the shoes. चश्मा पहन लो. Wear the glasses. Wear the glasses. मुझे थकान हो रही है. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. मेरी तबीयत खराब है. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. मेरा गला बैठ गया है. I have lost my voice. I have lost my voice. पेट साफ नहीं है. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही. I'm not getting sleep. I'm not getting sleep. सांस लेने में तकलीफ है. I have trouble breathing. I have trouble breathing. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I am getting angry. I am getting angry. मैं हंस रहा हूँ. I am laughing. I am laughing. मैं रो रहा हूँ. I am crying. I am crying. मुझे शर्म आ रही है. I feel shy. I feel shy. मुझे बोरियत हो रही है. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. मैं खुश महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. मैं निराश हूँ. I am disappointed. I am disappointed. मुझे भरोसा है. I have faith. I have faith. मुझे शक है. I doubt it. I doubt it. मुझे यकीन है. I am sure. I am sure.